Okay, today we're going to be riding the historic Georgetown Loop Railroad that connects Georgetown, Colorado to the town of Silver Plume. So this is winter ride. This is November the 21st of 2010, and we will be leaving from the Devil's Gate station. The train will be coming in. We're going to be actually, as we head on up, we'll be taking that trestle bridge that's above the creek, and let's see how this turns out today. Here, as you see, there's the Georgetown Loop Railroad train coming down. You see the diesel locomotive in front. You see the open car where if you want to be outside in this 40-degree temperature, you can. You see the last two coaches, you see the passengers in the cars right now. They're coming down to the station, so that's the train we'll be riding back up to the town of Silver Plume. Okay, here's another view of the Georgetown Loop Railroad bringing the people back down to the station. So that's where we'll be riding later on today. Yeah, another cool thing about riding this Georgetown Loop Railroad is high above you there's I-70 that connects Denver, pretty much connecting on over into Utah. So we're going to be riding 3 p.m. on this Sunday. Just kind of give you a little quick scan as we are kind of waiting for the train to come down to the passenger station. Okay, you can hear the sound of the diesel as it's kind of coming down. It's going to be coming around the bend very soon. Here you see the Georgetown Loop Railroad trains coming to pick us up, take us on an hour-long train ride between Georgetown, Devil's Gate Station, and the town of Silver Plume on a winter day up in the mountains of Colorado. And here's some diesel. The open car, and they have two heated passenger cars for people who don't want to be outside. You know what I'm going to be doing? I'm going to be outside offshore most of the time. There's the engineer. Okay, here you see passengers getting off the train. One cool thing about this is going to be a couple of Christmas train rides right around day before, day after Christmas, and for a year. So, and then sometimes they have wine train tours. They're going to have a barbecue train ride on 4th of July with fireworks. The train's going to stop right on top of that trestle where you'll be watching fireworks coming down from the town of Georgetown. Okay, here people are leaving. Here's the creek that separates the tracks from the train station. And as people are getting ready, oh, there's Stan. Glad you made it, guy. Yeah, there goes some folks having to head on back down to the station for a minute. And this is we're inside the coach.
It was last year because it starts in December. Like this year will start December, I think, 3rd.
There's Marsha. There's
so it was last December.
There's Will.
After Christmas.
And we're missing two folks who will be showing up pretty soon. Okay.
Yeah, I go every year.
Okay, here with some more folk coming in. They got their hot chocolates.
We're not ruining our
There you go. Yes, the train will be leaving about 3 o'clock.
I will be giving a narrative of the history and sites around the valley.
I guess I'm going to be abandoning people and trying to get up top. So Marshall's by himself. Gotta head outside. Okay, he's ready to go now. right there. Okay. Georgetown Loop parking lot below. This is the station where we came from. Now we're heading over to the Georgetown Loop, world famous Georgetown Loop trestle. I-70, people coming down from the Eisenhower Tunnel and from some of the skiers up to the west of us. And I-70 folks heading back down to the Denver metro area. That's not that bad out here.
No, not yet. Not so far.
Not so far. And there is I-70 up above us, right over there.
Better pictures out here.
Hey, yeah, more picture taking. It's not that cold out here. Not bad at all, really.
What's the elevation we going to?
Almost 9,000 feet, about 8,700 feet up here.
Now, how many miles is it?
Oh, about 3 miles one way, I think.
2 miles one way?
3 miles.
So can we get off and hike?
Oh, no. We could. But we get tickets for that next time. Now this is where they stop if you want to go on the Lebanon mine tour. They'll let you up here in the summertime, then you'll walk on down to where the old mining operation is. You go into the mine right underneath